You know, when it comes to looking for furniture, best place is right here in Long Beach at American Factory Direct. We've been here many, many times, even when they were at their original location in downtown Long Beach, a long time ago. Mr. Bob, Ms. Billy Como, who have been the owners. Tell us a little bit about American Factory Direct, if you would, please.
Well, with the name American Factory Direct, a lot of people maybe associate us with a national chain, but we're not. We're a third-generation family-owned furniture store here in Long Beach, Mississippi, and we just want to kind of let people understand that.
And why should I come and shop for you when it comes to furniture?
Well, the unique thing about our store in this area is that we have 6 stores. So what does that do for us? It gives us buying power. So when we go to the furniture market in North Carolina, we walk in and Hooker and these major brands come out with new lines, we have the first choice of what groups to buy. So we really do buy the best of the best. The other thing is, the first thing we do is make sure the price, when we like something, say, I think we're gonna buy this, we go online and see what the online price is. If we can match or beat that, then we'll consider buying it. We want to make sure we have the best prices anywhere. My wife's a design person, but I'm Mr. Price. So when you come to American Factory Direct, you know you're getting the best price.
Miss Billy, you have some beautiful furniture, and I love this with this slip cover on there. This is something new.
Yes.
Tell us about this.
This is really, Berkshire is one of our best-selling washable slipcover sofas. It's really awesome because the story is that you can just pour water or liquid and it really just rolls right off. So you can see how wonderful that really is user-friendly for families and for pets.
Yes, definitely.
And it's available in 5 different color finishes, so selections. So you can actually have an extra slipcover ready for company when needed. And the quality.
And they'll think you got a new couch.
Yes. And
it's
quality,
well built.
It is very well built. The quality is top of the line. It is 8-way hand-tied and solid wood frame, so it really is a lifetime frame. It also is available in a sectional, which you can actually build it to create the room that you are trying to create for your function and your family. So it really is a great selection, and you need to come in and see this.
Plus you got some beautiful leather furniture. We're going to take a look at that next here at American Factory Direct.
I'd like to also bring out the Laura Park pillows. We have, Laura Parks is a self-designed artist that has taken her whimsical and very vibrant colors and she's applied it digitally to textiles. So it's really fun to be able to take solid colors and intertwine the really stylish and up-to-date colors. And seasonally you can change your design. We have a line of throws, pillows, indoor and outdoor. They have duvet covers, and we are also bringing in the wall cover, the wallpaper cover. So it's going to be exciting. You need to come in and see it.
Jake is the store manager here at American Factory Direct.
Hey,
how
Jake.
are you?
Good to see you again.
Good to see you too. You've got a lot of beautiful leather here, and Marinelli is like cream of the crop.
That's exactly right. And when you say Marinelli, what you really want to be synonymous with is handmade Italian leather, handmade Italian craftsmanship. And where that shows really is right here in this sectional in particular, and the other ones that we carry in our store. This is a wax pull-up leather. This is something that's going to mature and soften and really become lively over time. The story of the use of it is going to be in the material itself. This is something that is along the lines of being restoration hardware inspired that we actually keep in stock. We keep this in stock for customers to purchase without having to wait that long turnaround time. Now, if it's something that a customer wants in a different color or texture, we can do that too. So we're offering both models for something so high-end at a local price.
And you have different layouts of the furniture as well. I mean, here you've got a beautiful sectional, but you have some of just couch pieces, love seats, things like that.
Exactly, yeah, you can do 3-piece. We've got sofa, love seat, accent chairs, recliners. We even have this genuine Italian leather in motion. And the beautiful thing about that is their motion sets don't look motion when you're looking at them. Some of them you don't realize they're motion until you see the buttons underneath. It's really something you'd have to come in and check out in person.
That's nice. You have so much furniture here in this store. How many square feet would you say is in here?
This one's about 35,000 square feet. Wow. And this is my favorite square footage of it right here. We're talking about it.
Well, we're going to go to my favorite square footage of that, and that's the mattresses. Mattresses, and I love a good night's sleep. Tempur-Pedic, beautiful choice.
Tempur-Pedic, yes indeed. #1 recognized mattress name in the nation for a reason. What I'm excited to talk about today is this new Pro Adapt lineup. So they have actually infused the covers with more cooling material for a cooler night's sleep. They've also added additional Tempur material layers. So this is what they were doing that was already so great, improved upon, which is what they do so well. Tempur-Pedic takes consumer rating to heart, and they use all their analytics and all their buying power to make sure that they're making the best product possible, and we're excited to carry it.
No, but here, well, I like this. It's got a TV and everything hooked up to it.
Yes, indeed. So this is what I'm excited to let the public know to come try out. This is our new Tempur-Pedic module. No charge to try out. Come at your leisure. We have a visitor today, Gigi. She's enjoying it. What this will do is take you to a quick but effective process of a few different adjustable base motions, and it will also show you some features and benefits like the surround sound speaker system that's built in.
Oh, wow.
It'll take you through an experience on the TV to show you just how impactful a good night's sleep can be for you.
Now tell us about this new Fusion furniture you have.
Indeed, I'm excited about it. I love talking about anything local. Fusion does that very well. They are a locally manufactured product, and if you come into AFD and purchase, then it's a locally sold product, which is great. This is a great product for the sense that they have made sure to keep the craftsmanship there while also creating value in the product. This curvature arm design, along with the high performance upholstery, which keeps it very durable and highly stain resistant, that keeps the value and the quality in line.
Now you have another piece over here.
Yes, so this one actually comes as a sofa and love seat. We also have it in the sectional version as well, which Gigi is enjoying. And it just
Gigi's
shows,
zonked out.
there you go. It just shows you the versatility in Fusion, and all the accent pillows, they come with the product. This has got to be one of our best value prices for the quality of the product that you're getting. And again, locally made here in Mississippi, that's perfect. That's what we're all about.
If you look, I mean, the store, as you mentioned, you got 35,000 square feet in here. There's so many different things in the way that y'all have it set up, because people will go in and looking for furniture sometimes and say, I don't know how to set it up. You got it set up right. Tell us the hours you're open.
So we are here Monday through Saturday from 10 to 7. We did just recently start being closed on Sunday. However, please be on the lookout. There are some special Sundays we are open. Certain holidays, Black Friday, Labor Day, things like that. We'll be here on those Sundays.
And they can find out more on Facebook and also on the internet.
Exactly, through advertisement.
Thank you.
Thank you,
American
Jim.
Factory Direct, exit 28, Long Beach exit here in Long Beach.